Hi guys, so how to check if genuine parts were used, original Apple parts were used to repair your iPhone. Okay, so let's say you have visited a service center of iPhone and they have repaired your iPhone or iPad and you're not sure that they have used genuine products, original Apple products, or a fake one. So to check that, what you have to do, you have to just go to settings, scroll down and find general, tap on it. And here when you will go to general and scroll down, you'll find a parts and service history like this. Okay, you'll find a parts and service history like this. My phone is not having it because my phone is brand new and is not repaired in the past. So if your phone is repaired, this will show parts and service history, and that part which has been repaired will show here. And also if it is original, then it will say and show genuine Apple part. If you tap on it, you can also see the date on it which you repaired, okay, and the description of it. Now if it is a fake one, then instead of genuine Apple parts, the displayed thing will be unknown part. Okay, and in that case you will be sure that this is an unknown part, this is not an original Apple part. Okay, so that's it guys. Please do like the video to support us, and thanks for watching the Geek Page.